versus Breville. Which one should you buy? Looking for the best electric pressure cooker for your kitchen? Today we're comparing 3 top multi-cookers: the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1, and the Breville Fast Slow Pro. Let's see which one suits your cooking style and budget. First up is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. It's one of the most popular electric pressure cookers on Amazon, and for a reason. Pros: combines 7 functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. User-friendly control panel. Great price-performance ratio. Massive recipe community and support. Cons: no air fryer function. Stainless steel inner pot is not non-stick. Lacks advanced presets found in higher-end models. Next, the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1, a powerhouse with air fryer capabilities and much more. Okay, pros: 15 cooking functions including pressure cook, air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and more. Crisping lid for air frying and broiling. Ceramic coated non-stick inner pot. Ideal for large families or meal prep. Cons: bulky, takes up a lot of counter space. More expensive than the Instant Pot Duo. Slight learning curve due to many functions. And finally, the Breville Fast Slow Pro, a premium multi-cooker with smart cooking technology. The pros: automatic pressure adjustment for different phenotypes. LCD display with detailed settings. Sleek stainless steel design. Great safety features. Cons: higher price point. No air frying function. Smaller online community in Instant Pot. So which one is best for you? Go for the Instant Pot Duo if you want solid performance on a budget. Choose the Ninja Foodi if you need air frying and versatility. Pick the Breville Fast Slow Pro if you value precision, design, and premium features. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a cleaning upgrade.